Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. As you can see here, we've got the backup option, so let's tap on it, and my option is turned on right now. If you've got it turned off, no worries, just tap on this switcher right here, and thanks to this you will see the account option, so now we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Let's tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so your device is telling you that it will back up your data to Google Drive. I mean the data like apps, data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And here we've got the same info, so the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, including Wi-Fi, passwords and permissions, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, our backup account has been successfully added to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.